morning, everybody. So today, driving to work on this beautiful day before it rains. Just driving along, minding your own business, and then what happens? Bam, a chip in the window. Well, today I'm actually going to try to repair it, and I'm going to bring you along on that. I've got my, of course, windshield repair kit by RainX. I've used this before and I actually think it works pretty good. I got a bullseye chip right here, so I'm going to go ahead. I actually put tape on it last night because this happened yesterday, and I'm going to repair it later on today and see what happens. Hopefully it comes out okay, and I don't have anything else I have to replace, because if my window cracks while doing this, which it shouldn't, and wow, I think it is actually starting to rain right now. Well, crap, I don't know if I'll be able to do it. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're parked, and I'm going to show you in this kit. It's going to come with all the necessary stuff. You have your resin, your repair resin. I feel like that's leaking for some reason. The plunger, or your suction cup, and then you have the plunger with the screw in, which you're going to drop the resin inside here. So you're also going to have, and then you're also going to have a razor blade. I actually added a pin and the tape so I can clear it off, but basically follow the instructions, and what we're going to do is we're going to chip away the area first, and then we're going to clean it. We're doing a bullseye, so chips, bullseyes, and anything else. So first what we want to do is we want to clean and chip away at the area. So I'm going to take off this tape and start chipping away at it. Alright, you're going to take your razor blade and you're going to chip away at it. I'm actually going to use a tape and clean up more. There's anything left inside. Use a tape, clean up a little bit more. And then when you're ready, you're going to align this tool right on top, and then gotta make sure it's centered. You're gonna apply pressure. Applying pressure, you're gonna make sure that's in the middle, so you may have to readjust it once it's in the middle. Now once that's in the middle, what you want to do is you're gonna apply the screw chamber, and you gotta make sure it's centered, so that's gonna be flat. Let me make sure it's right on there, so it's touching the impact point. So after screwing the plunger, you're going to see it like that. It'll be right up against it, right where the impact hole is. You just want to make sure, and you can tell by it because it'll start to lift, if it's tight enough. Make sure it's pressure, and then now we're going to add about 6 drops. So open this up and cut it open. Don't cut yourself. Once that's cut, we're going to put that inside the chamber. I think I did this right. We do 6 drops. 6. And then after that, I'm just gonna apply the resin. Alright, so applying the resin, I'm going to tap. You can see the bullseye's going away. So there's still a chip right here, but I can't get to that. find the resin, I'm gonna tap around here, vacuum a little bit more out, and squeeze a little bit more in. I'm gonna let this one sit now, about 4 minutes. So I'm gonna unscrew the resin cap now. Release some air, I'm gonna press it back in. There you go. It's gonna be dripping now, so that's why I have the towel here. After doing that, I'm going to go ahead and clean this up. Make sure it doesn't drip out. And then I'm gonna double check the inside of it, and after the inside of it, I'm going to actually, so we got about that. We should be good there. About 4 minutes, 5 minutes in actually, I'm gonna remove this. Release the pressure valve. And then now I'm going to add some of the resin to it. And on top. So now there's a crack right there. You can, it's better than before, but you can see it there. The bullseye is gone. The inside, it's just that little dot now, which I'm okay with. So it's been sitting about 90 minutes. It's right there. I'm gonna peel it off. Let's hopefully dry. All right, so I can throw this away. I'm gonna take my razor blade and I'm gonna go 90 degrees, so like that. So there's where it was before. You can just see the little dots from the dirt, but no more crack. See that little blemish? But that's it. That's all you gotta do. So after hitting it with the razor, it'll come out pretty clean. All you really need to do now is just clean off the glass and just wipe it thoroughly. And bam, you don't see it anymore.